Hello guys, Realme's new GT8 series just dropped and it's packing serious updates. Let's dive into what's fresh, what's powerful and what sets it apart. First of the look and feel, the GT8 models bring sleek, bold styling with high-end materials. Their displays are no joke. Quad HD plus resolution up to 144Hz refresh rate and extreme brightness to dominate under sunlight. You will notice the crisp color and silky smooth feel the moment you swipe. Under the hood, the Pro version runs on Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with an added R1X graphics chip. That means serious firepower for gaming and multitasking. And all phones in the line carry a 7000 mAh battery. That's huge. Plus support for blazing 120W Pro and 100W standard fast charging. You will be back in action in minutes. Realme did not hold back on cameras either. The Pro model features a 50 megapixel Ricoh GA main sensor plus ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. Expect excellent dynamic range, low light performance and rich detail. Meanwhile, creativity features and stabilization tech make sure your shots stay sharp even when things get shaky. Why choose GT8 over others? The combination of top-tier chip, massive battery, plus fast charging and a premium camera take all in one package. Plus Realme's push into durability, display brightness and graphics offloading puts it ahead in the mid-flagship race. In short, the GT8 series is not just an upgrade, it's a serious redefinition of what a high-end phone can do without going full ultra-premium. Keep your eyes peeled for reviews. This might be one of 2025's standout phones. See you in the next one.